Hi, welcome back. Today I'm here with a different kind of video. This is something that I've been wanting to do for really long. Basically, I've grown up watching a lot of YouTubers, mostly YouTubers from outside India. But recently I started watching mostly Sane, Filter Copy, BuzzFeed India, and all of that. Basically, I'm a YouTube fanatic and I've always been trying to emulate them in some way or the other when I try to create videos for like people's birthdays and things like that. And I was like, they have such good production value. I wish I had that. But while like thinking of ideas for my channel, I thought that something interesting would be to see whether I could create YouTube videos that were created with high production value, basically a more cheaper version of what they were doing. Like, I'm a cheaper YouTuber. So this is my first try at it. Today I'm gonna try and emulate Filter Copy's video, which is You Laugh Only Once, YOLO. This video was also made for my brother's birthday. So I'm gonna tell you what I told him before watching it. I've put in a lot of effort into this. So I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. And if you don't, I'm gonna hit you. Have fun. Okay, I'm ready for this. Bring it on, buddy.
Round 1.
Stone, paper, scissors. Ha! Why was an innocent painting arrested for a crime it didn't commit? It was framed.
रोटी रो क्यों रही थी?
पता नहीं.
वो कह रही थी मैं रोटी हूँ पर वो आटा नहीं. मैं रोती
Okay.
हूँ पर वो
I guess that works. Our Xmas tree was lying down. We decided to erect it. What did we call it then? Vimus tree. A smile, I'll take it. A smile.
Works blue but doesn't weigh much.
You?
Light blue.
Okay. There was a race between a giraffe and an ostrich. Who do you think won? It was neck and neck.
A daughter is a real child, but the boy is the beta version.
Always boys are the beta version. Who cares? Bread is like the sun. Why? It rises in east and sets in the west. Hadiya! 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 Stone, paper, scissors. Fine.
Why was the stadium so cold?
I don't really know.
Because there were a lot of fans in it.
You know, our teammate had the same joke the other day. It made me laugh. Keanu Reeves' family died. What did everyone say to him? Keanu grieves.
So sad.
So close.
Have you ever watched the movie Constipated?
Piku?
How can you watch it? It hasn't come out yet.
That's true. Anima Lirena Agliba. I asked Mama, give me melon and broccoli for breakfast. She was like, nahi de sakta, tum depressed hai. Kyun?
She's a doctor.
Because it brings about melancholy. Okay.
What do you call birds who stick together?
Flock.
Well, crows.
That's true. I decided to read my dictionary in bed last night, but I couldn't finish it. What?
Too long?
I got only up to P. Sid and I are too good at this.
डबल रोटी अगर गड्ढे में गिर जाए तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? Brad Pitt.
Nice one. How do you talk to your sneakers?
Hello, Babura.
You converse with them.
Uh,
I think I need to change up my style for some.
what do you call a footballer who wants to get rich?
Human.
A gold digger.
I'll give him a shovel next time, don't worry. Since you said I'm gonna like crack something related to you. What kind of a relationship Sid and a broken guitar have?
A sad one?
One with no strings attached.
Oh, that's actually true. That's actually true. The man was hit in the head with a can of Sprite. Don't worry, he's okay. It was just a soft drink.
That's true. अगली बार वोडका देगा.
Cut.
ठीक है. Who is the king of all dogs?
Ishan
Why?
Sharma?
Main duck.
Oh my god, that was so bad. What are the strongest days of the week? Like the strongest days of the week?
Sunday.
Almost Saturday and Sunday, because the rest are just weekdays.
That's true. We're very weak. Someone told me, donate my blood. Yeah, right. I don't want my DNA swimming around in another guy's blood. What did I tell him? No hemo. I was so close.
You weren't close, could you be?
Look at you. You were rubbing your brain.
No, it was so bad.
Yeah, it was so bad.
It was pathetic. Chee. What should you do if you get locked out of your house?
Figure out a key.
No, talk to the lock because communication is key.
I should talk a lot. It's not like I don't talk enough. Okay. I
Hold
feel
on.
like both of us should like
Keep making more jokes, this is getting over.
seriously
laughed.
even our jokes are getting over. I will slap you.
Okay, let's take it a notch high. You can't smile also now.
Yeah,
Okay.
because both of us aren't allowed.
Okay? Both of you are not allowed to smile. Even while making the joke or after making the joke.
When a woodcutter tried to cut a tree, he said, "Wait, I'm a talking tree." The woodcutter replied with, "You're going to die a log though."
What kind of shorts do clouds wear?
I know
A thunder wear.
this. Oh right, I forgot her name.
She just smiled.
Round 3.
Stone, paper, scissors. ये क्या 6 क्या होता है?
अरे स्टोन था स्टोन
हाँ तो हम ही जीता फिर. मैंगो फ्लेवर्ड चाय को क्या बोलते हैं? फ्रूटी.
What did the teacher tell when the student wrote an essay on cheese?
You get a 0.
He graded it.
तुम स्माइल कर
Smile करते हैं.
You can't
Well,
smile. He
हाँ.
graded it.
नो स्माइल किया.
कब आउट है?
Round 4.
स्माइल कर रही है.
She's naturally smiling.
वही तो दिक्कत है.
Okay, your dad was hugging you. You asked your dad, why are you hugging me, and what did your dad answer to that?
Because you're my son.
No, my therapist said I need to embrace my mistake.
What do you call a shoe made from a banana? A slipper.
Nurse said to a doctor, here is a list of donor hearts, liver and kidneys, all in ABC order. What did the doctor say? It's very organized.
Rakhi Sawant said, "My throat hurts." Mika said, "Have you heard of Vicks?" Rakhi Sawant replies, "Yeah, one Vicks has 7 days."
There was a race between a giraffe and an ostrich. How was it?
Neck to neck.
ए
Repeated the
मैंने ही जोक बोला था. Say go.
What would you call a population control program for diabetic patients in China? Hear me out. A population control program for diabetic patients in China. Genie come.
Final round. Fight.
Where do rabbits go when they get married?
Burrow.
On a bunny.
Oh my god, that is pathetic. What do you call a vulgar tandoori tikka? Erotica.
Really? You wanna crack that joke with me?
I thought start with a bad one.
So, what do you call an Italian spy? An impasta.
I didn't even understand the joke. What would I call a crying sister? A crisis.
It would be if you made her cry. So yesterday, Urvashi Mamiji and Bichotia were sitting, and Urvashi Mamiji was complaining to Bichotia's therapist, and Bichotia, उन्होंने क्या किया? Urvashi Mamiji पीछे बैठी थी, and then she couldn't see. Her eyes were closed, but she did that. It would have hit her face.
तू जब कल नरेट की तब फनी था.
But I don't know how I narrated it.
अभी तू नर्वस हो गई.
Yeah, possibly.
I was thinking, okay, कुछ आएगा.
Because you were
it was a
expecting
joke
a
without a
pun.
punchline. I'm actually jealous of these two horses who got married. Do you know why?
Because you're never going to get.
Because unlike me, they've been in a stable relationship for 5 years.
That's reality. I'm not gonna laugh on it. Oh, it's my turn again. Shit, actually. ठीक है, हाँ. तो उर्वशी मामी जी रास्ते की सीमा पे गई थी,
हाँ.
ठीक है. और वहाँ पे आपको मालूम है बाथरूम वगैरह नहीं होता. एंड दे हैड टू वेयर साड़ी, ठीक है. उनको बाथरूम जाना था, तो वो पेड़ के पीछे छुप के बाथरूम जाना था.
Okay.
तो उन्होंने अपनी साड़ी उठा के वो बैठी. वो जब when she was going to, तब पीछे से एक wild boar आया. He was chasing her. So without peeing, she had to run. The wild boar was chasing her between her legs.
प्रज्ञा तू ही स्माइल.
तू ही स्माइल कर रही है.
Game over.
Well, that was that. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments if you think I was successful and if you want more videos like this, because I found it really interesting to try and emulate their editing style, their videography style, different angles. I've never really edited video with different angles, but anyway, I'm rambling. Let me know if you liked it. Share, comment, like, whatever. Just, I hope you enjoy my content. Toodaloos!